This rugged phone has an 8500 mAh battery and a frickin' laser beam rangefinder. The DOOGE S97 Pro is a smartphone with a laser beam attached to its head. It can do a straight distance measurement, say, to the wall you're about to demolish as part of your home renovation. The phone has Pythagoras modes for triangle calculations, in case your middle school trigonometry is also rusty. The DOOGE's new phone is waterproof at IP68 and dustproof at IP69K. It has a 720p 6.4-inch LCD screen covered in hardy Gorilla Glass 5, paired to an octa-core MediaTek Helio G95 chip. The rear cameras are a familiar mix, 4 8MP primary, 8MP ultrawide, 2MP macro and 2MP portrait. The front-facing hole-punch camera is 16MP, and mobile speeds are limited to LTE. The DOOGE S97 Pro is a rugged phone with a big battery and wireless charging. The retail price is $330, but it's on sale for $220 until June 25. It has a choice of gray, red, or orange case accents, and runs Android. There's no word on how big or thick the phone is, but based on the specs and photos, it's safe to say the thing is a chunker.